Good morning, dear students. Today we'll be continuing our chapter number 5, division. In today's class, we'll be studying dividing by a single digit number and how to check the division. So let us do it. We have to divide 44 with 6. So 6 sevens are 42. 4 minus 2, you'll be getting 2. Here is 0. Now this 2, it is the remainder. This 2, it is the remainder. This 6, it is the divisor. This 44, it is the dividend, and the 7 is the quotient. Now how to check whether the division that I have done here, it is right or wrong? In order to check it, what we'll be doing? 6 multiply 6 multiplied by 7 plus 2. It should be equal to 44. So what is 6? 6 is the divisor. So 6 is the divisor. So for the divisor I am writing here divisor multiplied by 7 is the quotient plus 2. What is 2? 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder. So it should be equal to the dividend. This is the rule. So what is the rule? To check a division result, multiply the quotient by the divisor and add the remainder to this product. The result should be equal to dividend. So let us do it. 6 sevens are 42 plus 2 is equal to 44. And what is the dividend here? It is 44. So it means that the division that we have done is correct. Let us study one more example. In order to check the division, we will be taking one digit number. Let us take another example, that is, in the brackets I am taking 469 and here is 6. So let us divide it. 6 sevens are 42. 6 minus 2 is 4. This 9 will move down because we cannot divide 4 with the 6 as 4 is smaller than 6. So we will carry this 9 down. So I am writing this 9 down. Now 49 divided by 6. So 6 8s are 48. 9 minus 8 is 1. So the remainder is 1. Now how will we checking it this division, whether the division we have done it is right or wrong? How will we checking it? 6 multiply, we will be multiplying 6 with 78 and plus 1. 6 multiply by 78 plus 1. So if you multiply 78 with 6, you will be getting 468 plus 1. 468 plus 1 is 469. See here our dividend, it is 469. Here also the answer we get is 469. It means that the division we have done is correct. So again let us revise how to check the division. Here you have to divide 469 with 6. So 6 7s are 42. 6 minus 2 I have written 4. 4 as it is smaller than 6. So we have to carry down this 9 down. Now 49 divided by 6. So you have to recall the table of 6. 6 8s are 48. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now here 1 is left. This 1 cannot be divided by 6 as it is smaller and we cannot carry any other number. So our division we can do up to here only. Now how to check this division? We have to multiply the quotient, that is 78, multiply by 6. 6 is the divisor. We have multiplied the divisor with the quotient plus 1. 1 is our remainder. So if we multiply this, we will be getting 468 plus 1, 469. Here also dividend is 469. It means that the division that we have done, it is correct. Now let us take the larger number. Let us take some larger number, that is 3858. 3858. We have taken this number and here I have written, I have to divide this number by 4. So how I will be doing the division? First consider the thousands place. 1, tens, 100, 1000. What is there at the 1000 place? 3 is there. So the divisor 4 does not divide the number 3 of the dividend, as 4 it is greater than 3. So consider the number formed by the first 2 digit, that is 38. So we will be considering this 2 number, that is 38, because 3 is smaller than 4. So we will be considering this 2 digit 38 of the dividend. 4 goes into 38 9 times. So 4 9s are 36. Now 8 minus 6 will be getting 2 here. 2 we will be getting as the remainder. And the quotient here we have written as the 9. Now what will be doing again? Then we will be bringing down the digit 5. This digit 5 will be bringing down, because 2 it is smaller than 4. So 2 will not be divided by the 4. So we have to bring down 5. Now 4 6 are 24 and 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. As 28 it is greater than 25. So we will be considering 4 multiplied by 6, that is 24. So here I will be writing 6. Here I will be writing 24. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 again it is smaller than 4. So we will be, this 8 will be carrying down, that is 18. Then 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So 20 it is greater than 18. So we will be writing 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So here I will be writing 4 and 16, and the remainder it comes the 2. So how to do the division? Let us revise it again. Here I have written 3858. You have to divide this by 4. So how you will be dividing it? 3 divided by 4, as 3 it is smaller, it cannot be divided by the 4. So will be 38 will be carrying the first two digit. So 4 9s are 36. 8 minus 6 is 2, as 2 is smaller than 4, so we'll be carrying down the 5. Then 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. 28, it is greater than 25, so we'll be writing 4 multiplied by 6. We'll be writing here 4 6 are 24. 5 minus 4 is 1, we'll be carrying down this 8. Now 4 5s are 20, as 20 it is greater than 18, so we'll be considering the above number, that is 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Now 8 minus 6 is 2. Now how to check the division, whether the division that we have done it is right or not. What we'll be doing, that is, this is our quotient. Our quotient is 964 multiplied by 4 plus 2. So first we'll be doing this multiplication, then we'll be adding the 2 to this. Then we'll be getting the answer. So what is the rule to check the division? We have to multiply the quotient. We have to multiply the quotient with the divisor, plus we have to add the remainder. So first we'll be doing the multiplication, that is 964 multiplied by 4 equal to 3856. Is 3856. If you add 2 to this, you will be getting 3858. Here we are getting 3858. Here also our dividend is 3858. It means that the division that we have done, it is correct. So in today's class we have learned how to check the division and how to do the division by using a single digit number. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.